Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Today I will bring you is also a main watch. What the model is it? Let's have a look now. The first thing is the guarantee card. We will provide you 1 year guarantee, and then it's the model we can see here. It's the manual book of this watch. And the number is NF9181. Okay, let's open the actually we have two kinds of strap for this model, the stainless steel band and the genuine leather strap. Today I will show you is the genuine leather watch. This is it's our new model, and it also multifunctional multifunctional watch. And for this manual book, we will provide you a kind of language. We can see here this model will have 5 functions. Let me show you now. Here we can see around the case we have 4 small buttons and a bigger crown button. And press these buttons, we can make the light on for 3 seconds. How about the 5 mode shows? Here we can see now it's the normal time mode. Press this button can change into another mode. Press this button. Now when here shows the SP is the stopwatch mode, and AL is the alert clock mode, and TR is the countdown mode, and T2 is the dual time mode. And now it changes, come back to the normal mode. We can see the case we use is the zinc ore case. And the back soles also we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and different numbers to show the times. And also we have the luminous content on the hands and indices. We will never afraid of the darkness, and you can read the time at any time or anywhere. And then is the strap. The strap we use is the genuine leather. It's very soft. And the buckle we use is the stainless steel solid buckle. Our brand logo on the buckle here. Now let me have it on my wrist. Okay, now here is the watch on my wrist. Do you like it? For this model of the leather strap, we got 3 colors. Later I will show you all colors. Okay, come back. Here is the 3 colors. Just that I've show you this coffee color, and then is the blue color. Now you can see the middle of the 12 o'clock. Here SP means the stopwatch mode. We can press this button to change into the normal mode. Okay, now here is the normal mode, and we can see that here the on the 12 o'clock position here is the THU. It means today is the first day, then the lights on, and we can see the Monday is here, Tuesday, Wednesday, and around here is the weekly, and here is the time. Okay, here this model. Let's put it on my wrist. Okay, the next color is the light brown color. It's a light brown color. In the case, it is a little yellow. And here is the leather. Also, we turn on the light here. The leather we use, and the buckle. Okay, this is all for today. Just let me know if you want to see other models review. We will make the video for you next time. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.